Okay, how do we do it? What's our formula?
V equals Gm over R.
V equals, I think we left something out.
Oh, the square root.
There we go. Square root of the capital G times M over R, right?
Yes.
But the problem is we don't want V, right?
No.
Which one do we want? What are we looking for?
Meters per second.
Didn't they give us meters per second? Oh, no, we do want the speed. I was thinking I wrote it differently. We do want the speed, right? So we don't have to do any rearranging. So what's G? Whoops, let's not use that one. What's G?
G is gravitational
it's
constant.
The gravitational constant when it's what number?
6.67 times 10 to the negative 11.
11, what units?
Oh, it's like n Newton plus like n squared over something.
Meters squared.
No,
Wait.
over kilograms squared, right? There we go. Okay, so in this case, what's M?
Meters. Or
No,
mass.
this is mass, so what is it? What's the value from the problem?
6.9
10 to the 35th?
Uh-huh.
Kilograms, right? And what's R? Oh, wait a second. Where did you get that? Because I didn't see that number in the problem.
It's 1 AU.
Okay.
And then
So it says it's 1 AU right there. And so you looked up 1 AU?
Well, I just had it in my notes.
Oh, had it in your notes? Because remember we did those conversions earlier? So 1 AU. Which one of these do we want? Do we want it in kilometers or do we want it in meters?
Meters.
We want a meter, so we're going to use that one, right? Okay. So we say V equals the square root of 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 newtons times meter squared over kilogram squared times our M, 6.9 times 10 to the 35th kilograms, all over 1.496 times 10 to the 11th meters. Right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's go through it then. So square root, let's do the top first. Somebody got the number for the top?
4.6023.
4 what was that?
4.6
6,
0
0,
2 3.
2, 3,
To the 10
times 10 to the what?
25th.
25th. Confirm? Yes? No? Can everybody get it? Yes? Everybody got that? So we plugged it all right in there? So that answers your question? Yep. Okay. Okay then, let's divide it then. V equals square root of, let's divide those two. What do we got? 6 times 10 to the 14th. Confirm, yes? Yeah, okay. And so we square root that and
1.75. I got 3. I had a 4 on the. I got
you got a
3.
4 here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it's 3. Okay, wait, I can't read my handwriting.
Well, that's good enough.
Yeah.
That's well, by the time if we have an error there, that's 1%.
Okay.
That's 0.1%. Here is 100th of a percent. We're fine if we're out to here. So
Okay. Either
times 10 to the what?
7.
7th what? What do we say
meters
this
squared
comes out? Meters
per second.
per second. Confirm? Yes? Okay, how do we do? Problems, issues, some we're not sure about, why we got something wrong? We're all good. Everybody got it right? Rachel?
I wasn't here.
Doesn't matter.
Sure, I'll say.
You know, don't just say yes.
It
Did you
A bit of
did you
sense,
get out a
but
piece of paper and even try it?
No.
Okay, so make sure get your paper and formula sheet out now. Joseph? Or Hiram, rather. Wrong, there's a Joseph that sits there that must be there. Yes? No? What does that mean? Did you get the answer?
Now I have it.
But you didn't get it.
No.
Did you start with the right formula?
No.
Okay, so then it's not even this.
No.
You're not even on the right track.
No.
That's what we need to know. There's nothing wrong with that. That's why we practice, right? That's what we're doing. So this is the only formula we have so far, right? So it's the only one we can use. There is no other place to go. So whenever we're doing any of these problems, that's where we have to start. We just have to decide what we're looking for, right? That's the only, right? And then we list what our numbers are, because that makes it easy. That makes it easy to see what we're going to put in here. And then after that, it's just a matter of making sure we plug it in our calculator correctly, right? That's it. And that's why we do it once at a time, because if I plug all this in at one time, what's the likelihood of me hitting a wrong button and doing all of that? Very high. So if I do it all at once and just get an answer, well, I don't know if that's right. If I go to check it, what's the likelihood of me making another mistake? Or if I made a mistake, maybe I do it right. So how do I know which of those two answers is correct? Don't. But if I do these two and do this, I can quickly run those two in and say, oh, did I do that one right? Then if I divide those, did I divide that right? Did I square root of it? I can see that very quickly. Okay. So that's why we want to show all the steps. Ready for the second one?
Yes.
Let's try the second one then.